Hello friends, welcome to your YouTube channel. Hope you all are fine, and I came today with a very easy love spell, and that would make your life happy, and you will not face any kind of problems with that you solve with this spell. This spell is used by million of peoples, and we make spells that we trying the many times on the different people. Then we are making this video live and upload our YouTube channel. So today is very easy spell. It's about your love problem solution. It's about your love problem solution. First of all, you have to make a box like this. It should be like this, and then you have to make a star in this. Your circle should be like this line should be in it, and then you have to make a star on it. You have to write here the number of love 143, and then you have to write here attraction. After writing attraction, you have to write here love. Please write as I am writing as it is. Then you have to write here your lover's name here, and then your own name. Then you have to make a arrow like this. It means this circle would collect your love here, would keep together your love here. Here you have to write couple, here you have to write love. You have to write couple love here, and then you have to chant this words. Bilam Alim Kutam Sam, your lover's name, and Lee. Bilam Alim Kutam Sam Lee. You have to chant this verse for 21 times at midnight. After making this all, you have to chant Bilam Alim Kutam Sam Lee. Bilam Alim Kutam Sam Lee. You have to chant this verse for 21 times. Then after that, you have to take this paper with you, and like this as it is. Then you have to take, or you have to separate this circle like this. Hope you all can see and understand this spell. Like this. First of all, you have to write here attraction, then love, your both of your love names, and then you have to make a sign of love. Then you have to write here couple love, and then you have to put it in your pocket, under your pillow, wherever you want. While doing this process, then if you are facing any problem, you can call us on our number that is showing the top of the screen. You can contact us. Thanks for watching my video. Please like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel for videos like this. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.